Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a specific size rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the shape tool, right click, click rectangle tool and use fill color. I already selected this use fill color or stroke color and stroke color. Okay, then white example 300 and height 500. Press enter, then click OK. Now see this rectangle. Press Ctrl T, right click, use rotate. Okay. Now we can see this create a specific size rectangle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.